Hello friends, welcome to Yaraa. So today we are going to see how you can add a new employee in Yaraa Manager. Remember, Yaraa Manager comes up with the web version, iPhone version as well as Android application. So let's just check it out. So once you log in Yaraa, you will see the dashboard, you have the setup wizard. In setup wizard, you will see the add invite team member. From the top drop down on the plus icon, you will see the add team member. From the left menu also you will have the team member. So let's just click on left menu, where you have team member that you can search. If you don't find the team member that you want, you can just click on the plus icon at the top and invite the new team member by typing their email ID and some notes to use the Yaraa Manager application. Remember, Yaraa Manager can help you increase your productivity and efficiency in your company. So we just added a new team member, the invitation has been sent. Make sure you have a correct plan, because the different plans are associated with different user limits. So the new team member is listed at the bottom. As you can see, Yaraa Suite is the new team member that we have just invited. Once the team member accepts the invitation, they will be able to log into the system and you will be able to add them in any project or any task. So thanks for watching the video today. Thank you very much, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.